Are you struggling to set financial goals? Do you want to know how to set them easily? Let me share a simple hack with you today. Hi friends, I am Rushabh Shah, founder of Midas Finance, and today we are going to understand how to set financial goals while investing into mutual funds. Let me first share the simple hack that I use to set financial goals and then explain you how this simple hack can help us with our financial goals. So the hack that I use is add 15 years to your age. I'll repeat that again. The simple hack that I use to set financial goals is add 15 years to your current age. How does adding 15 years to your age will help you setting financial goals? Firstly, the most important thing that it will do is help you get compounding on your side. Earning compounded returns is the most important component of your investment, and adding 15 years helps you have compounding on your side. Second, we millennials are used to living in the moment. We want to buy a car today, we want to go and travel today. Whatever we want to do is all today. We do not think about the future. We are not foresighted, and hence adding 15 years helps us to be more realistic about our life goals. Third, and the most important thing is, it is said that time can heal all the mistakes done in the financial markets. So, by having time on your side, you can rectify all the mistakes that you made until date with respect to setting your financial goals. Fourth, the most underrated of all is law of attraction. Have you ever heard the famous quote from Shah Rukh Khan's movie Om Shanti Om?
कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है.
So friends, add 15 years to your age and try setting some financial goals. Let us know how did it work for you by writing in the comment. To know more about mutual funds, please like and subscribe. Thank you.